go outside, lock all doors and windows, do not react to any sounds outside. If someone goes missing, do not go looking for them, do not answer any calls for your name, be as silent as possible. Anyone who goes outside should be considered lost. If you see something unusual, do not investigate. Doing this will increase your chances of survival.
For your safety, your government is releasing Level 5 classified information about the alert. The reason for the EAS being activated was on January 2nd at 2:30 p.m. an entity that was being contained by the United States government breached containment and was on a rampage. So far 900 casualties and 327 fatalities were reported. The creature in question is 70 to 80 feet tall, a dark gray/black in color, and seems to be made out of metal. It was last seen in the Jasper County area. The creature, which is named U.S. Containment 2734, has multiplied, and its offspring and itself have been seen in the following areas: Jasper County, Texas; Houston, Texas; Dallas, Texas; Oklahoma City; Tulsa, Oklahoma; Kansas City; Denver, Colorado; Green, Texas; and southeastern Louisiana. If you are not in those areas, tune into a radio station broadcasting to your area. If you are hearing this alert,
run, 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 error, no danger, run, run, no need to, run, 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 it is hallelujah, sapiu.
No danger, I repeat, no danger, all is safe, there was never danger, all is safe, your government will lead, no danger, come outside. Look at my children, we're only here to help, don't fear us.
approximately 30 minutes ago, a broadcast was made on our behalf saying to trust the creatures. We never made that broadcast, and we are looking into the incident at this time. You should continue to follow our instructions to ensure your survival, or go to our website www.destroythecreatures.com to see our instructions on what to do.
Within the last 10 to 12 hours, the creatures' numbers have increased to the hundreds, possibly thousands. There is nothing we can do at this point. The creatures are currently attacking the following cities: Dallas, Fort Worth, Houston, Orlando, Tampa Bay, Denver, Portland, Seattle, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Malibu, Laredo, El Paso, New York City, Albany, Albuquerque, St. Louis, Las Vegas, and Washington, D.C. The U.S. government is currently sending military to attempt to deal with the creatures. Gather around your loved ones, as it is most likely that the military will fail in dealing with the creatures.